Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video I will show you how to install the requests module in Python 3.14 on Windows 11 step by step. Requests is an important library that lets your Python code talk to the internet by sending HTTP requests, downloading data and working with the APIs. So let's get started. First thing that we are going to do is to make sure that both Python and pip are installed on your machine. To do that, you are going to click on the Windows icon and type CMD in the search bar to open the command prompt. Once the command prompt is open, you are going to type Python space -- version, hit enter, and then you are going to type pip space -- version and hit enter. If the output of these two commands displays some versions, that means you are good to go. If the version of Python installed on your Windows 11 machine is not 3.14, then you can upgrade it to 3.14 by watching this video in the I button. Let's move ahead. So we are going to create a project folder to keep things organized. So I'm going to create that folder in my desktop, but you can create it wherever you want. Okay, there is a simple spelling mistake. Let me fix it. To create the folder, type the mkdir command and the name of the folder. Let's call it requests_project. Hit enter and you can see a folder has been created on my desktop. Now using the cd command, you are going to go inside this folder. Now you are going to create a virtual environment to install requests safely. The command to create a virtual environment is really simple. It is Python space -m venv space requests_venv. Hit enter, and if the execution of this command is successful, that means virtual environment is successfully created. Alright, I'm sure a folder in the name of requests_venv has been successfully created, and this is our virtual environment. Now let's activate it. So type the command requests_venv \scripts, that's with capital S, / again, activate. Hit enter and you can see requests_venv virtual environment is now active. Now you will install the requests library using pip. The command is very simple. It is pip space install space requests. Hit enter. You can see the installation has started. Oh great, it is over too. It says successfully installed, and apart from all the other packages, it has installed requests too. The version is 2.32.5. Now if we type the command pip space list, then requests must appear in the list of packages installed in this virtual environment. There you go, it does appear. Let's confirm if it is working properly. To do that, we are going to start a Python prompt by simply typing Python and hitting enter. Once the Python prompt has started, we are going to import the requests module. Now, if this import is successful, that means we have successfully installed the requests. There you go. Now we are going to print the version of the requests module installed. So within the brackets of the print function, we are going to write requests._version_, and it must print 2.32.5, which is the version of the requests library that we just installed. Hit enter. There you go. Press Ctrl D to come out of the Python prompt and write deactivate to deactivate the virtual environment. That's how you cleanly exit a virtual environment. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install a requests module in Python 3.14 on Windows 11 from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.